Dave Bullock from Roush Yates Engines, here to wish Rottler Manufacturing a happy 100th anniversary. They've been in the motorsports industry for quite some time, and we have used their products for the last 10 years or more, and have several pieces of equipment that helped us achieve our success both in NASCAR and other forms of racing all over the world.
Rottler Manufacturing, congratulations on your 100th anniversary, and thank you for all the racing support.
Hi, I'm David Lewis, the General Manager here at Robert Yates Racing Engines. All of us at Robert Yates would like to congratulate Rottler on their 100 years, and hopefully there'll be 100 more.
Carson Dunn with Roush Yates Engines. Rottler Manufacturing, happy 100th anniversary.
Hi, I'm Doug Yates, CEO of Roush Yates Racing Engines. Happy 100th anniversary, Rottler.